Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. You're looking at a Smith Wesson 686, one of Smith's most popular revolvers. I've shot many of these. I've shot this one in particular several times, and I really enjoyed it. It's a 357 Magnum, and it has a nice feel to it. Now, it's a 4-inch barrel, and it does carry 6 rounds of 357. The skill of a double action shot is actually quite difficult. Revolver shooters love that single action pull. It makes it comfortable and you can stay on target a lot easier. However, that double action pull is a whole new skill set. It has everything to do with the grip of the revolver itself, the sight picture, being able to hold up this chunk of steel, with your arms extended takes some skill in and of itself. On top of that, that double action pull can be challenging, to say it best, challenging. And those who shoot revolvers and double action know what I'm talking about. So we look at this and we say, the price of the ammo, it takes a lot to practice, and many people don't have a problem with that. But then there's another alternative, and that's this Smith Wesson 617. It's got the same, essentially the same weight of the gun. It does have a 4-inch barrel as well. Rubber grip, same double action pull, except here we're looking at 10 rounds of 22 long rifle. Now, we know that the 22 long rifle, the guns chambered in 22 long rifle, provide a training tool as where, you can work on that double action pull. Same trigger weight, probably 12 pounds there plus, same trigger weight as the 686, but you're shooting much less expensive and working on the discipline it takes to fire this gun and be accurate with it and be consistent, which is one of the most challenging things with the 357. There's just so much recoil, so much power coming out of that muzzle, and that double action pulls hit long and heavy. Well, here with the 22 long rifle practice, of course, you're not going to get the recoil, and then once you refine that skill set, you can come over to the 686, give that a try, and I think you'll be amazed at how much more enhanced shooting you'll experience, and how much better trigger control you have going from something like this with the exact same size and weight to something like this in a much powerful and more energized round. The 22 shot out of a revolver is more reliable than out of a semi-auto. We know that, you can have those light rim strikes with many of the semi-autos. It's actually quite common. That's why people don't carry that. Well, you typically don't experience that with a revolver. Something like this, the Smith 617, you got that heavy hammer strike. You very seldom will have a light rim fire on that round that will not ignite it. This is more reliable, if you will, than the semi-auto. So what do you get for that? You're getting a better practice tool. You're getting maybe a opportunity for women to use this as a home defense firearm, and you're getting 10 rounds as well in the cylinder. So it does have its advantages. It's more reliable. It's going to fire. I say that with a wink because you can't guarantee anything, but the likelihood of light rim fires out of a revolver are slim, and we do experience that with the semi-auto. So you like the way it feels, you like the way it as a practice tool, but you also like the reliability that something like this will offer. When you head out to the range, it can get a little tedious hand loading, 10 rounds into this 617. So here we have a speed loading set. It's actually pretty nifty. You can preload your rounds, put it on there, push the black part down, and then you've got your speed loader. You just line it up in those cylinders, push the red part in, and there you go, 10 rounds loaded up. Pretty nice setup. Now let's head out to the range and fire these away. So there it is, Smith Wesson 617. It looks just like a 686, but you're shooting 10 rounds of that 22 long rifle. Great training tool, and I have to say, I enjoyed it quite a bit. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.